Hi, my name is Ashish, and I'm 50 years of age. I'm from Mumbai. I had been working as an administration and facilities manager, not exactly a technical IT type job, but have been from the background of the merchant navy. Um, the tools are like I like the most, particularly is the Microsoft. Um, the tools have been really great. Really large number of tools which you can use uh, to leverage yourself. And the overall experience of the workshop has been really great because it's given us an insight into what the AI is all about. It is taking over. And your tagline, which is what caught me and really sold me, is that AI will not replace people, but people with AI skills who know how to leverage AI will. They are the new generation of people, irrespective of age, who can actually go ahead and take over the jobs. People are, in fact, apprehensive and scared that AI is taking over. Yes. Um, Tools which are like the most Microsoft Excel by default. I haven't been very weak in that. People used to be. There are people who are really, masters in Excel, and I was always in the backlog because mine is a more of a field-based job. I have to move around a lot. Never had the time to catch up with Microsoft Excel. Just the very basics, and not much into the formulas and splitting of the bars and boxes and all the stuff. But I'm sure with this training, I will be able to leverage it and become, in fact, if not good as them, but better than them. I'm looking forward to it excitedly to leverage this technology and leverage AI to improve myself, improve my job prospects, improve my work, and ensure that I'm not left out.